Ndongo ya ala ingi mbungeni ya Masaku bwana Francis Ngunga niwa kuna kalamu ni ambunge machama cha Wiper na vala ambunge asuma elesea Francis Tawithito ikwata kuoko ambunge ala nini mbungeni na kwithu andathu kuma evidita na governor wa county isu ulani Dr. Alfred Mutua. Ainena na andikima wa mavo enza wa maofisi ma county isu bwana Francis niwa elesea kana mivango isu ikiwe vindani ila ate hivo nela itambukite kuma nthi ya Kenya.
Out there for 7 days, I came on Tuesdays indicated. And all was well as I was leading. Now, so what happened about between those days, I do not know. As I told you, I only checked in yesterday. So I do know. This communication came here the first thing in the morning. It was thwarted on the grounds that it was not properly communicated. So you can imagine between this morning now again, when the communication was rejected, they will go and sit down. Now Abba Whip, who was present in the meeting, and then craft it and bring it again. Can you read malice there? Can you read malice? Yeah. And you know, again, when you talk about removing people on office, you know you'll have one thing. This guy has stolen. This guy is not loyal to the party. This guy has done 1, 2, 3. You know, things. At least things will be. We'll have issues that you raise against somebody. You just cannot say that you have numbers and you remove. That cannot be it. That cannot be it.
Some of them are accusing.
Kwetu mandoto tuongelelano chamani kitu. Lakini tio lonjano. Ni for example, ile ne wandi majority ne diba. Ko ne kalebu. Tumathia ne diba. Dina kono ko tinye. Nela na thieno ngela kana ina wala ni mungu azia kana no lazima as a chama teka lende na tebundi azia zitu kata we must be fair na sasa nzuku ithela chamani mundu no okazia yengunga abyata wiki ke umwe abyata wiki no by body na buka mukulia wiki yata nondo yu mundu kata ni zamone muingoi na kula inayo na kuiki kamba kuiki zungu na na arabu na kitaone na moko nyena manara kila kende ba Kenya na ndio ko bikaba ona ndio na mwana mundu no ona no mwana na bika naende jambe ni na party leader na wa leader tane na dine wewe wanbethina kanda bikini chama kwa kina leadership ke keba ni na mwene chama te na na dine gwe na thina na ndio ka their members na ndo ala mana aligile kibelani ndo agula ile zitu nominated kwa mundu nominated ana kibela kwao nominated ana kibela kwao ando azuma na atwika nominated te ja kibela na mama mezia wembembe ko maimba uyu mundu ti ona na kulatezela iyo gwe ibade odia beba dei
Dilivotia Cheni TV ni Patricia Kombo.